Hey guys, I got new headphones. I got it from Amazon. The price, um, those are waterproof resistant. It looks a lot bigger compared to these. Let's go ahead and open it. Instructions and extra earpiece and a USB-C. This is this piece. That one. Here's the headphones. Looks a lot bigger, isn't it? Compared to these. See? And look. Those are big ones, and these are small ones. It doesn't have no logo on it. USB-C. USB-C. So I test the water resistant. It's really good. It does have to dust like that. And here's the headphones. Pretty cool. And here is the extra tips for your headphones and the charger. And yeah, got it from Amazon. Let me know what you think. You do have to download the app for these two. So I'll put it in the links below for you guys. I'm going to screen record right now. What's up, you guys? Make sure you download the app on Google Play and Apple Store. The links is down below. Let's go ahead and take these out. And it's connected. And let's go ahead and do the sound effects. And here's the sound effects right here. It's called EQ zone. And then go to my account right here. Go to EQ recommended. There are a lot of stuff. I guys, you need to try them out. I'm not gonna read a lot to show you right here, you guys. Okay, so if you need to update them, go to settings right up here. Right here, go to settings. Go to the update. Is up to date. Mine is up to date. Yours need to be updated. So make sure you download the software to see the better feature they have for you guys. And then touch controls, they have double click, double click, triple click, and long pressing. All right. So you have play and pause, and preview sound. And you have next sound, active series, or no mode at all. And you have volume down and up, and same side. And if you lost your box or you don't away some reason, don't worry, they have you covered right here. That's basically tells you how to connect, how to download the app. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.